in previous class we discussed properties of integers according to multiplication. Already in previous class we completed properties of integers. Okay, how many properties are there? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity, and inverse. One more property is there, that is the distributive property. What is the one more property is there? Sixth property, distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property. Over distributive of multiplication. We have to remember distributive property only. We have used symbols, two symbols, multiply symbol, addition symbol. That is, we can call that is distributive of multiplication. Distributive of additive distributive property over multiplication. Additive distributive property over multiplication. That one. What is the distributive property? Take three integers a comma b comma c are integers. A comma b comma c are integers. Then what is the condition? Then a multiply b plus c equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. This is the distributive property. That means set it up to now in previous class we learned 5 properties. In previous class we learned 5 properties. In those 5 properties multiply symbol only we use. If you want to write plus symbol, we go totally 5 properties check with 5 plus symbols. But in this property, any property will not use. Any property will not use two signs set at 2 signs means plus or minus, multiplication, division. Any one of the sign only they use. But in the distributive property, they use 2 symbols, multiply plus multiply. That is the 2 signs are we can able to see here. What are those 2 signs? One is the multiplication, another one is the addition. One is the multiplication, another one is the addition. Now what is the property? Whenever a condition is given to you, multiplication and addition combination is there. Equal before we have multiplication, addition combination is there. And this side also we have addition multiplication combination is there. We have to take A, B, multiplication. Then that is the distributive property. What the property? That is the distributive property. Okay, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property. By doing the multiplication also with subtraction also we can write. Okay, distributive property. Up to this one, this is plus minus. Whenever if you want to take minus, A into B minus C, A into B minus A into C, A into B minus A into C. Whenever if you take distributive property, LHS RHS should be equal. By simplification, LHS RHS will be equal. We will do some more examples there. Okay, we can understand that. For example, I take here. This is the subtraction. Okay, this is the subtraction. Over subtraction, multiplication. This is the addition and multiplication. Okay, we go for the next one. What is the next one? Example. What is the example? Okay, I take here A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 7. Otherwise, we can take 5. Small number we can take 5. I want to check the distributive property. What is the LHS part here? A into B plus C equal to RHS part A into B plus A into C. This is the RHS part. Now we have to check this part first. First is this part you have to check. Later check this part. Okay, first replace A value, B value, C value. A value what here 2 into B value what here 3 plus C value what here 5. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 5 8. 3 plus 5 8. That means we always have to simplify which is available between the brackets. That one simplify first. Later only outside. Okay, add this to 5 plus 3, 8. 8 2 plus 16. Similarly, replace this also. A value, B value, A value, C value, A value 2, B value 3, plus A value 2, C value 5. Okay, now 2, 3 is 6, plus 1 we are getting. So I remove the value. 5 2 is 10. Add these two. 10 plus 6 is 16. Here got 16. Here also we got a 16. Both results are same. That means we can take it equal. We got one result we got 14. Another result we got 12. Then those are not equal. This symbol is not equal. This symbol is not equal. Okay, that only you have to remember. Whenever a distributive property is given to you, that one you have to remember. What that remember? LHS should be equal to RHS. Then only we can say that given integers will follow the distributive property. Distributive property. Now we will learn associative property related sums. Later exercise sums we will get. Okay, what is one sum I will explain that one. Page number 18. Page number 18. In your state textbook, first do this. What is the first question? Is minus 5 multiply 2 multiply 3 equal to minus 5 multiply 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Like this way. This one we have to do as stable. Homework this is. I will explain next one. Second one I will explain is minus 2 multiply 6 multiply 4 minus 2 multiply 6 into 4. 6 into 4. Here brackets given. We can keep brackets of no problem. Okay, if you observe here, this question or this question, we have only one symbol, multiply, 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 multiply. Okay, here 3 letters only used. Here 3 digits only, here 3 digits only. Similarly, same this one also. This is called associative property. Which property it is? Associative. Given associative property. I want to write solution for this one. Given associative property. Associative property. Given which property it is? Associative property. Given which property it is? Associative property. Take this one. What is the given? Minus 2 into 6 multiply 4, that equal to minus 2 into 6 into 4. They are equal to given. So you have to follow equal to 1. First simplify this. Minus 2 minus into plus minus 2 6 is 12. 12 we can do. 12 into 4 equal to right here minus 2 into 6 4 is 24. Plus into plus 24. Now multiply plus into minus 12 4 is 48. 12 4 is 40. See equal to if you want to do complete this one first, later we will do that. No problem. Minus 2 into 24. Minus into plus minus 48. Both for 24 is 40. Both are equal we got. If you are not getting equal means not equal you have to place. This is the answer. Follow this one, complete this one. What have we done here? Take the first sentence. What is the sentence given there? What is the sentence given here? I taken same only. This is the same one I copied here. This one, same one I copied here. First, take this part. Take this part. What is another one? Multiply these two. Minus 2 into 6. Minus 12 into 4. Plus into minus. This is plus. This is symbol plus into minus. 12 4 is 40. Equal to symbol that equal to you have to keep. Okay. Next, second time we have to take this part only. This part is simplification. Minus 2 into 6 4 is 24. Minus 2 into 24 minus 40. That is the answer. Anybody have doubt? Means we can practice this one. You can create a doubt. If you have doubt, The related to that one. If you can simplify this one, it will rectify yourself only. No need to ask me also. Okay. Go for the exercise 5. Okay, this one remember any integer. This is very important one. Integer, any integer multiplied with 0, result is 0. Any integer multiplied with 0, result is 0. Minus 6 into 0, 0. Minus 71, 2 into 0, 0. 81 into 0, 0. Any number multiplied with 0, that number only will get. Okay, any integer multiplied with 1, integer only. Okay, for example, minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Minus 81 into 1, 81. Okay, that one. This is one important one. Next, integer multiplied with minus 1. Integer multiplied with minus 1. Minus, according to sign, plus or minus integer. According to sign, we will get result. Plus or minus. Any one of them. Any one. Plus or minus. Any one sign only we will get. For example, minus 6 into minus 1. Minus into minus means plus 6. 81 into minus 1. Plus to minus 81. Okay, then according to the sign we will get. Now we will do the exercise 5. In exercise 5, page number 19. Page number 19. First question. Verify the following. Very important problem this is. So many times they ask me question on examination. So many times repeated this type of questions. One question I will explain. One question prove yourself. 18 into 7 plus or minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into minus 3. This is the question given. What is the question given? That one you have to take. First, this part I want to simplify. Later, this part you have to simplify. Both two parts you have to simplify. Both parts. See here. 8 into 7 plus into minus 3. I remove the brackets. Plus into minus 3. Now 18 into 7 minus 3. How much is 4? Plus 4. Now multiply these two. 18 4 is 8 4 is 32. 72. What is answer? 72 will get. 72. Okay, draw the line here. Okay, first 18 7 plus into minus 3. 7 minus 3 4. 18 4 is 70. Similarly, here also we have to do. Okay, 18 into 17 multiply. Here the both are plus sign only. Plus sign means you will get a plus symbol only. 87 is 126 plus 83 is, you have to remember tables. 83 is 54. This is 54 plus into minus 54. Now remove the bracket. Before bracket no sign is there, that is taken plus only. 126 plus into minus 54. Subtract this. 126 minus 54. Subtraction. 2. Take power. This becomes 0. This becomes 12. 12 minus 5. 7. 72. It's 72 plus 72. Here also we got 72. Both results are same. 72 equal to 72. LHS equal to RHS. Equal to before part we can call LHS. Equal to after part we call RHS. Okay, now we will go for the next question. Same one only. Next question. We have to practice again these two sums we have to do as homework. What is the second question we are given? Minus 21 into minus 4 in plus minus 6 minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. This is the question. Okay, now we have to take equal before part, equal after part. This is the equal to before part. This is the equal to before part. This is the equal to symbol. This is the equal to after part. This is the equal to after part. Now we have to simplify this one. Equal to before part is called LHS. Now remove the bracket here. Here plus is there. Plus into minus. Minus 21. Here also remove the brackets. Plus into minus. Minus 4. Plus into minus. Minus 6. Plus into minus. Minus 6. Remove the brackets first. Already I told you. Remove the brackets. While simplification is going on there, we have to remove the brackets. Okay, plus into minus. Here nothing is there. Nothing is there means that is taken as plus. Here nothing is there. Nothing is taken as plus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Now simplify. 21 into both have same sign. Minus 4 minus 6. Both have same sign is add. 4 plus 6 10. Which sign is there? Minus. Minus 10. So now multiply this. Minus into minus plus 21 10 years to 10. 21 10 years to 10. Go for the next part. Minus into first remove the brackets. Minus 21. Otherwise minus 21 into directly multiply. Minus into minus plus 21 4 years. Multiply. I want to multiply this. 21 4 years. 4 1 year 4 4 years 3. 84 plus. Now multiply. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 21 6 years. 21 6 years. Multiplication I want to do. 6 1 year 6 6 2 year 126. 126. Now remove the brackets. Plus 3 is here. No sign there means that is stay again. Plus 84 plus 126 plus 100. Now add these. Now by adding these, what we can get? 126, 84, 10, 11, 2, 210. Both results are same or not? Same. 210 equal to 210. These are two sums very important and very easy sums. Just a simplification. We have to practice these two sums again. Okay. What is the homework today? Homework you have to complete page number 19. First one 1 2. These two sums again. Go for the next one. Already we taken this example. What is the second question? For any integer, a, what is minus 1 multiply a equal to any integer multiply any integer a instead of a minus 1 into a, what is the result? Any integer multiply into minus 1, what is the result? Any integer multiply, that means integer means that is not a plus or minus, we don't know. So plus or minus a. For example, minus 1 into, I take a 8 into minus 1, 8 will get. Minus 1 into, if you take minus 12, minus and minus plus 12. According to sign, that will be the answer. Either positive or negative, according to the integer. According to the integer, we will get the result. According to the integer, we will get the result. Similarly, by following this one, so they given determine the product of minus 1 the product with determine the product with minus 1 is 5. That means by which number you have to multiply? By which number you have to multiply to get 5? That means minus 1 should multiply which number? We have to get 5. Can you guess? Minus 1 should multiply with which number? We have to get 5. One day, which number should multiply to get 5? 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. But in here minus 1 time only we get. But here got a plus sign. If you want to get plus sign, is what we have to do? Minus into minus only we will get plus. So here minus. Okay. Next we go for the third one. This is the second one. Third one, find the product. Find the product using sortable properties. Sortable properties. Find the product using sortable properties. First one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, you have to take any one of the property, but you have to simplify. But here multiplication is going on there. Here multiplication is going on. Both are adding. That means if you observe the total, we got two symbols. One is the multiplication, one is the addition. Multiplication addition is there means that means total you have to take it. This is the distributive property. Use distributive property. Use distributive property. Use distributive property. What is the distributive property? Use distributive property. A into what is the distributive property? A into P plus C equal to A into P plus A into C. In this property, LHS side given or RHS side part is related to this one. This is related to this part or this part. This is related to this part. See here, 48 is common there. That is taken as A. That means this is A, this is A. This is taken as B, this is taken as C. A into B plus A into C forms here. Reversely given, A into B nothing but B into A. Now we have to take this form. We have to convert that into this form. That is, we have to take minus 48 and right outside of the bracket. What is the remaining here? By removing this one, 26 plus what is the remaining here? By removing minus 48 again, minus 36 is remaining. Now simplify this, minus 48 plus into minus only, multiply 26 plus into minus 36. Minus 48 multiply. Okay, minus 36 having minus. This is having plus. 36 minus 26. 36 minus 26. 10 only. But which number I having? Which number I having? Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. That means minus into minus plus only. 418. 48 into 10. 480. These are also very very important. Which property you are using? That one you have to know. We go for the next question. Second question what there? 80 to 53 multiply minus 125. Okay, here we have to interchange these. Interchange. These are we have to interchange. By interchanging what we can get here 53 into 8. As per convenience we will do that. Interchange this. Use commutative property. 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 Use commutative property means 53 into 8 multiply minus 125 into 5. Now we have to take A into B into C form. That means we have to multiply this. Multiply it. Okay, associative property. Associative property. Associative property. What is associative property? We say 53 into multiply this. 125 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 4. 8 1 is 8. Plus tau. Which tau we are getting? Minus. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Okay, multiply this. 53 1 is minus 53. Here 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros we have to write. Okay, today homework we have to write this one, do everyone do this one, and try to do remaining sums also in third round.